Stop doing annotation. Mohammed video.
You don't have to share screen.
Who is saying that?
Me, Umama, your sister.
World War III. You perfect.
अनप्रेडिक्टेबल लगा हाँ अनप्रेडिक्ट मैंने देख लिया फुल वॉल्यूम
रियल में है
Let's get loose. Oh, no, actually, you know what? Gotcha!
Host has been disabled screen share.
Hey, I'm the host. I disabled the screen share. Hey, Ibrahim. That's okay. That's okay. You all had fun, right? So sorry, guys. I don't mind you all enjoying it, but I have to do a little work now. Is it okay? Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Okay. So I'll just create the breakout room for the rights, and then we'll so queries. Then you can continue all the rights. Okay. So let me just do something with query. Just I will log in, make me the host. Okay. And you continue the recording if you want to. It's okay.
Now it's fine. No, the breakout room you are going to actually. So my query is here. Okay.
Sorry.
Assalamu alaikum Ibrahim, Abdullah, Muhammad. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah, fine.
Oh, good. What you all are doing?
All right. The rights. It's a rights class, right? So right,
Yes.
just give me 2 minutes.
Yes, I made it.
Can I become the host, please?
Yeah. I made it.
And then I'm gonna. Okay, my QEs will take you all to the reading section. All right, thank you so much. So I'm gonna make.
Mohammed, are you seeing the perfect?
Yes.
Sparky, he thinks he's doing
Me too.
Okay,
doing it later.
you go in.
Thing.
Musfira Rizwani, hold on. Umar Professor goes in there. Khatija goes in there.
Umaima is there.
Umaima goes in there. You all are back to your rooms, okay? I'll put. Shruti ma'am, we're just doing a breakout room for the queries, so I'll just put them, and then your main class is with you. Okay, guys.
Are we here yet?
Okay. Umar, you're yawning? Umar? Musfira, Umaima, Khatija, how are you all?
Nice.
Nice, good.
Good. Fine.
Today you have to just relax, okay? Just relax, and I will read aloud. Let me. I will read it to you.
Today not class, why we are attending?
Why I'm. Okay. I will just read it to you. You have to just, if you want to sleep, you can sleep. If you want to just listen, you can just listen. You can play with your toys. But just pay attention to me. Your ears should be with me. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Listen, Abhi, 5 minutes we will have a circle time. So I will allow you to doodle. Do you know how to scribble?
Yes.
Okay. So we will play I Spy with my little eyes, and you have to circle. There will be a lot of pictures and you have to circle. Is it all right? Can we start? Khatija?
Yes.
You know how to
Wait, no.
Yes.
One game. We have to. We first.
Ma'am,
Who will
Umar
be
was-
the? Who will be the person first?
It's okay. Everyone can do it together.
Anything, any animal, anything you want to say.
Yes, I can say anything in the picture. You have to find the picture.
In the
You have to
game.
circle it quickly. Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, Umar did good night on the
Good night.
chat.
He
Yes.
wrote good night on the chat.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the screen? It's
Yes.
okay. It's okay with me. Umaima, it's absolutely
Yes.
fine. You can write anything on the chat. Okay. As long as it is good for the teacher, don't worry about it. I'm a very, very good teacher, Umaima. Okay. I love when you do little of mischief. Okay. Can you see the screen? Everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now be ready with your pens. Okay. Not that pens. Pens. Computer pens. Okay. So you would
I
see.
don't have the option, ma'am.
You would have the option.
pen? This pen.
No,
Not
ma'am, I
the
don't
physical
have.
pen. Not the physical pen. Umaima,
Yeah.
are you sitting on the laptop or are you on the mobile phone?
Laptop.
Laptop. So there will be a screen which says, if you take the arrow up, no, even I'm not getting it. Just let me see. Who else can do it?
Hi.
Okay, start doing it. I'll just help Umaima till that time.
What we should circle?
I'll let you know.
Circle.
I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Can you share screen? Okay. Now, can you see? You have to find a case and circle it. Umaima, I will help you
Yeah.
with your annotation. Okay. Can you see a screen and which says there will be small black stripe? Yes. Tell me. There will be. Musfira? Yes.
I don't have laptop. I have the mobile.
You are on the mobile, so it is very simple. You will find a pen. Okay, so you have to just click on the pen. It's on the bottom side. You will see it. So you have to just click on the pen and start circling it with your hands, fingers. Can you do that, Musfira? Yes, Khatija.
Where is?
It would be on the bottom of the screen. We are trying new things. Okay, Musfira, we need to learn. Who's doing that? Can anyone tell me?
Can we play another game?
Which game do you want to play, Umar?
One.
Umar, if you can do it, can you show it to us? Umar?
One
Can-
game is
Okay, let me first come back to you all. Umar, where are you? I want to see you. Mustafa? Mustafa, please turn on your screen, and Umar, please turn on your screen. Khatija, can you do that? Khatija? Umar, you can doodle? You can use the annotation? Can you use it, Umar? Or Mustafa, can you do it? Umaima, did you find?
There is no strips.
You all know this game. This is
No,
this
ma'am.
is very easy game.
Yes, I know.
It is a little hard game. If
Listen.
I say America, you will say you have. What is America's last word?
We'll just start. Umar, listen, we need to
So
start.
then you have to
Listen,
start
Umar.
A.
Listen, Umar, listen. First, we'll start with the basic. And I really like your Kahoot idea also. So I'm going to give you a quiz next week. But Umar, we'll start with the basic because there are a lot of students over here who does not know to annotate. So we'll learn that first and then we will do the difficult activities also. Okay? Umaima, did you get the annotation sign? If you'll take your arrow up.
No, ma'am.
Khatija, can you do annotation? Khatija, I can't hear you.
What is annotation?
Zainab, can you do it? Just check. I want everyone
No,
to check.
ma'am.
I will share the screen. Can you do it?
Ma'am.
What?
Stop.
What? You are on the lap. You are in the
I
laptop.
don't know what.
You don't know how to annotate?
Yes.
Mustafa, do you know how to?
Annotation means
Annotation means to color or to circle something or to draw something on the screen. Do you know, Umar, how to do it?
I don't know how to go to the annotation.
Okay. So today's
see,
task.
ma'am, share a screen.
Okay, I'll share. Try it again. Everybody try it again. If we couldn't do it, if we cannot do it, then what we will do is next week we will learn from our siblings and then we'll come back again and we'll do the same activity. Is it okay? This is just a circle time. 5 minutes we will spend on this and then we will start our story. I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, can you all see the screen? See, now I am annotating. Just watch what I'm doing.
No.
Okay, if I have to circle,
Ma'am, I can't see the screen again.
you can't see the screen. Umar, can you see the screen?
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Okay, Umar, can you see the screen?
Now I can.
see the screen.
You can see the screen, right? Umaima, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Umar, can you see?
Yes.
Mustafa,
Yes.
just try it little hard. Or maybe then you have
Yes.
to re-log in again. See, now I'm annotating. See, if I want to color the burger, can you see it? I'm doing it. Can you see it? Find a snail and circle it. So I will go to the
Yes.
snail and I will circle it. Can you do that? See, try it. Musfira, can you do it? You are on mobile phone. It's very easy on the mobile phone.
First you have to just do a flip like this. But there is not pen.
There has to be. If you click on the screen,
Pen and take any color you want.
yes, you can circle it with any colors you want. I want you all to enjoy this. Who is doing it? Please tell me. Somebody else has done that.
Ma'am,
Zaina?
there is not pen.
Okay,
not pen.
Okay, Zainab, can you do it? See from your iPad?
In my laptop.
Okay, okay, we'll stop this activity.
not pen.
Okay, we'll learn. Okay, so what is your task? What is your task? We need to learn this, okay? We need to
What?
learn this technology. And how you're going to learn, please everybody tell me.
What
Who's
you
help?
are doing?
Whose help you're going to take to learn this, how to circle on the screen?
Siblings.
Scribbling on the screen.
Siblings.
Siblings, okay? Umaima, you can take help of Abdullah either or Farhana. Mustafa, you can take help of Aisha Didi, okay? Zainab, whose help you are going to take? Quickly tell me. Zainab is not there. Musfira, whose help you are going to take? Quickly tell me. Yahya, can you ask him? Yahya? Umar, you tell me quickly. Can you ask Kausar Didi to help you? Umar?
I will do it my father or
Okay, absolutely all right.
grandmother.
Okay.
And I also.
Okay, we'll start our story. So, okay, it's okay. We couldn't couldn't annotate. It's okay. We will learn and we'll do it again. Okay, is it all right? Please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. We all will learn. Okay, fine. Okay.
brother.
I can just see your
or
hand.
my sister.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Khatija, please turn on your screen. I want to see. Okay, let me go to the first page.
How do you do that? How do you open? How do you do that?
What?
This how?
This is my book. Can you see my book? Guys, can you see my book?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, what is the
The
story
runaway
today which we are going to read? Tell me.
The runaway iceberg.
The runaway iceberg. Okay. So let me start my story. Okay. Land aho, shouted Rosie, looking out to sea with her telescope. Shall we dive in and explore? Captain, you know, I don't like swimming. Wait a minute. I don't like swimming, Gasper said with a sigh. Okay, so tell me which are the two characters. Which are the two characters? Quickly tell me.
Gasper and Captain. And Rosie.
Gasper and Rosie.
Gasper and Rosie.
Okay. So who is adult means who is elder and who is younger?
Gasper is adult
Okay, Umayma.
and Rosie is younger.
Okay. So is Rosie a girl or a boy?
Girl.
What do you think? Girl. Okay.
Girl.
So there are two penguins, okay? One is Gasper and the another one is
Who is big and who is
Rosie.
small?
Rosie. Okay.
Who
And
is big and who is small?
so Gasper is
Rosie is
elder
female.
and Rosie.
the boy.
Gasper is a boy. Yes, Gasper is a boy. So in the pages you would notice that Rosie is saying Captain to Gasper. Okay. So we'll go ahead.
Who is captain?
Who's captain?
Gasper.
Yes, Gasper is the captain. Okay. I'll keep asking you these questions. And Gasper does not like to swim. Okay. Suddenly, a cracking sound came from below them. Before they had realized what was happening, a chunk of ice had broken off, and Gasper and Rosie were floating out to sea on an iceberg. Quick, swim, shouted Rosie. But Gasper was afraid. I can't, he cried, peering into the deep, dark sea below.
Ma'am.
Yes.
But
Yes.
why is Gasper scared of swimming?
You think and tell me, Umayma, your questions are very nice. You think and tell me why Gasper was...
Because she don't want to swim. That's why he's scared.
Why he is scared? Quickly, Umar. Zainab, tell me. Yes. Zainab, tell me.
Penguins does not swim.
Penguin does not swim.
Penguins, they do. No, because the water is the deep. That's why. And
Acha,
it's
Zainab,
cold.
what do you think, Zainab? I
It's
can't
cold.
hear you. Come little close.
Cold.
Because
It is cold. No,
it
they
is
have
cold.
feathers to protect themselves from cold.
Okay, let me tell you something about penguins. Penguins are very, very good swimmer. Okay, they can dive very deep, and penguins usually stay in the cold areas. Okay, but maybe penguin, he does not know at that time, he does not know swimming, or he's very scared of water. It could be possible. Okay, Zainab, I can't hear you. Please come little close and speak. No, Zainab, I can't hear you. Khatija, I want to see your screen. Khatija, please turn on your screen.
Okay.
Yes, now I can see. Umayma, even I want to see you. Please don't go away, Umayma. Thank you, Umayma. Thank you. killer whale can eat them. Oh, that could be possible. Let's see. Let's see. Go ahead. We'll go ahead with the story. Okay. Now we'll go to the next page. The iceberg floated out further and further until they could no longer see land. What are we going to do? Asked Gasper, trembling. How we will ever get back? We are brave explorers, remember? Said Rosie, holding Gasper's flippers. We will find a way. Gasper took a deep breath. I guess we could use our flippers to row back, he said. But which way is home? Okay, quickly tell me. Now, what did we learn? Okay, so now Rosie is telling Gasper that don't worry, we'll find our way back. And what happened actually? Tell me. Who can tell me what happened? Yes,
They
Zainab,
told
tell
that,
me.
but where is
What
the
do you
way?
say? What do you say?
What
They
what
don't.
happened?
They don't
What
know
happened?
their home is.
Okay, Zainab, tell me.
Yes.
You raised your hand. Quickly tell me.
He can't find the way home.
They can't find the way home, and the iceberg actually now is drifting away. Yes? Yes, right?
Yes.
And Gasper is really, really worried. He doesn't want to swim. So how are they going to go back? And they can't find the way. Yes, Khatija? Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. We'll see what happens next. Okay. So now what they have decided that they will row back with their flippers. What are flippers? Quickly tell me what are flippers?
Flippers are penguin
mean-
hands.
Oh, yes, Mustafa. Flippers are
They can
penguins'
swim
hands.
very fast from their foot.
Yes. How we row the boat? So they decided that they are going to row the iceberg with their flippers. Okay, next. Lift me up, said Rosie. She climbed onto Gasper's head, but she was still not high enough to see land. Try jumping, she suggested, giving him a little nudge with her foot. Okay. Okay, tell me, who was on the top and who was standing down?
Rosie.
Rosie?
Gasper was down and Rosie was up.
Okay, Umar, can you tell me? Please interact with me, Umar.
So simple answer.
Ah, yes, so simple stories. But is it not interesting, Musfira?
Don't tell him.
Yes,
It was so funny.
It's so funny, yes. So Gasper is standing down and Rosie is standing.
Rosie,
Yes.
why Rosie sing?
Rosie is standing up on Gasper's shoulder so she could see the land, because now they are in the middle of the sea. They can't see the land. They have to go back home, right? So Rosie is climbing on Gasper's shoulder so that she could see the land. But still she cannot see the land. That means they are in the middle of the sea. They can't see what way to go. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes
Yeah.
it happens when we go in the boat and we are in the middle of the sea. We can't see the shore. Does it happen with us? Does it happen?
No.
No. No, it never happened. Yes, Umar, tell me.
Yes, but I have never ride a boat.
Okay.
I have, but when I was very small, a baby.
Okay, we will do that in Golden Sparrow. Once this lockdown will get over, we'll go to the picnic. Every month we'll have one field trip. Okay, so we'll make sure that we'll go.
week. Every
Yes.
week.
Every week? Who said that? Every week?
Oh, Mama.
Oh my
Every
God.
day.
Every
Every
day.
day.
Oh, every day we can't take you for picnic.
Every week. One,
Maybe once a month. Once a month we go to.
I want to go every day. I
Okay,
want to go to every day.
every day you all want to go. Okay, we'll go to our next slide. What is it written? Okay, and they both landed on the ice with a thud. Need some help finding your way? Asked a snow petrel from above. Oh yes, please, called Gasper. Which way is land? Okay, quick question to you all. What was the name of the bird? Quickly tell me. What was the name of the bird which flew up on the sky and he said, do you need any help? What was the name of the bird? Quickly, who can tell me? Zainab, can you tell me? Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't hear nicely.
Okay, you didn't hear nicely.
I
Who
also
else
didn't
heard?
hear.
Even you didn't hear. Mustafa, Musfira and Zainab, do you want to give a try? The name of the bird.
Yes.
The name of the bird was snow petrel. Okay, we'll read it again. Umema, if you have not heard, snow petrel is a very small bird. Okay, just like pigeon, but they are white in color. Small pigeon, but white in color. Okay, understood,
I've
Katinka?
seen them. I've seen them.
You have seen them? Where?
I don't know if that's the same one. Sometimes it comes in the window. It
Okay.
flies.
Usually they stay in the cold area. Okay,
Oh,
cold place.
So that's another item. Because
Okay,
that's
we'll see.
also white color.
It's a white color kind of a pigeon. Okay, the name of the bird is snow petrel. Okay, need some help finding your way?
Snow
Asked the
petrel.
snow petrel from above. Okay, so they said yes, we need help to find the direction. Okay, it's this way, called the snow petrel. So he pointed to one direction and he said that this is the way. Okay, flying high above them. Gasper and Rosie used their flippers to row as hard as they could, but the current kept pushing them the wrong way. Need us to give you a push? Asked an Antarctic silverfish from below. Oh yes, please, called Gasper. So now what is happening? Quickly tell me what is happening. Now who has come to help them? First, the
Antarctic silverfish.
Arctic silverfish. They are a small insect, very small insect.
Small.
They are very small insect, and they said that we will help you to push the iceberg. Okay? Okay, understood? So now who is helping them? A small
Because the pandas go to the home. That's why the
Panda?
small fish.
It's a very small fish in the sea, very small, kind of a shrimps. Okay, they are very small. Okay, so they said that we will help you because what is the current? What is the current? What does current means in the water?
The current means like a shock.
No, not that shock. It's kind of a waves which are pushing them in the other direction, in the wrong direction. Okay.
Yes. But they didn't know the way, so how do they know that it's
Because
pushing on
snow
the
petrel can
wrong-
snow petrel is flying very high above the sea.
You are reading full book.
No, I'm not going to read the full book. And in the end, we are going to watch a video also. Okay, Umar?
Yes.
Okay, Zainab? Zainab, are you able to hear me, Zainab? Is there any
Yes.
problem? Okay, well done. Now I can hear you very well. Loud and clear. Okay? Okay. So after silverfish, now see what happens. The silverfish pushed the iceberg along until suddenly it became stuck. We will never get through here, exclaimed Gasper. Need some help breaking through the ice? Asked a blue wave from the deep. Oh yes, please, called Gasper. Okay, so starfish, sorry, not starfish, silverfish were helping them to push the iceberg and they were going on the way. But
Now
what
the
happened?
blue whale is helping them.
No. Before that, what did they see? Quickly tell me. What did they see? Why they cannot? Yes, quickly, Khatija.
Fish.
Huh?
Antarctic silverfish.
Okay, that
silverfish.
Yes, Zainab, Antarctic silverfish were helping them to push the iceberg. But now what they saw ahead was lot of icebergs. Now they cannot push because silverfish are very small, and this icebergs which they see ahead.
Blue whale was helping them.
Now blue whale is helping them. But now let me ask you some question. If icebergs are ahead and nobody will come to, like blue whale will not come to help us, right, Mustafa? So how we are going to go ahead when there are a lot of icebergs in the sea? Can you tell me? Khatija, Umar, please unmute yourself and please tell me how we are going to go ahead if there are a lot of iceberg ahead. If we are in a small boat, tell me.
I know.
Yes, tell me.
We should jump. They can jump on the iceberg.
We can jump on the iceberg. Oh, is it a good idea?
Yes. Yes, it's a very good idea, ma'am.
Oh, I don't think so. It's a good idea.
Because
don't-
they can swim.
Because the water is very cold.
The panda is
They are jumping on it, right?
You can jump if the iceberg is really little far.
the panda is the swim.
So they can go on the whale. They can go on the whale.
Okay, I have a solution. So do you want to watch a video? This is the last video we will watch and we will then continue our story next Thursday. Okay? Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, we'll see a video quickly. Okay. Let me show you a video which I have. Just a minute, just a minute. Oh, 8 minutes. Just give me a minute, okay? Okay, can you see the screen?
No.
No? Okay, okay. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Let me go.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Now I got the screen. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. It's a very nice video. Now, can you see the screen? Black screen?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
And can you hear
Yes,
the
yes.
sound? Can you hear the sound,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Yes.
Very
Yes.
nice. Very nice video. Everybody mute yourself. We are going to see this.
Imagine this sharp pointed edge of my sledgehammer is the bow of my boat. It's perfect for cutting through the water and the waves. But let's see what happens when it encounters the ice. It didn't cleave its way through the ice.
What happened? Who can't see? We all are. All of us? Mustafa, please unmute yourself and tell me, can you see the screen?
I can see.
Yes. Umar, you can see now?
I cannot see. I can see Golden Sparrow has started screen sharing. I can just see that.
Who is that? Who is that?
Me.
Ali? Ali?
I see the screen. I see
See, Ali, it would
and
be.
the wall also.
Yes.
I can
Ali.
see.
Ali, listen, you need to log in again. If you are not able to see, don't worry. I will share this video on WhatsApp. You can see it later, okay? Because it's the problem. Okay, everybody could see. So just mute yourself. We'll see the video. And Ali, I will share it later on with
Ice.
But Steinhaus realized that approaching the ice from a different angle produced a much better result.
Wow! That was amazing! And coming from above makes a big difference.
So Steinhaus set out to create a spoon-shaped hull that could crash down on the ice. The wider, shallow bow allowed a ship to slide up the edge of the ice before gravity forced it down on top. The ship's weight produced a huge shearing force and reduced the ice's resistance. To test it, engineers tow a scaled model of Steinhaus's spoon-shaped bow at around 3.5 miles per hour, simulating an icebreaker's speed.
The model's filled with instrumentation so they can see exactly what's happening, how the hull design is breaking up the ice.
With the ratio, the ice it's cutting through is approximately 3 feet thick. In 1871, Steinhaus launched Icebreaker 1 into the seas. Its spoon-shaped bow design paved the way for vessels to reach the planet's most inaccessible locations.
Okay, now tell me what happened.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, it's done. Okay. Mustafa, Ali, are you with me? Ali? Still you were not able to see the video? Ali?
I can see, but I cannot see the video.
Who said that? Umar? Why? Umar, you told me that I can see the video. You saw the video.
I can't see. I can't see. I told.
You can't see, you said? Zaina,
Yes.
what about you? Were you able to see the video? Give me a thumbs up. I can't hear you. Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Umayma, were you able to see?
Yes.
Okay. And even here, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Musfira? Musfira and Khatija?
Yes.
You were
Yes, I able to see the screen and the voice also.
able. Okay. Well done. Well done. Okay.
I was able to hear also and see also.
Okay. Okay. So Umar and Ali, they were not able to see the video. It's okay. I will.
I can see.
Huh?
I can see the screen.
You could see the screen, but you couldn't hear. Okay, Ali? That's what
Her also.
Okay. Okay, not a problem. I will share the video with you all in Google Classroom. Is it okay?
He's not able to see the.
Okay. Okay. So okay, whoever has seen the video, this is the last question for you all. Tell me, what was the name of that fish? Sorry, what was the name of that ship? What was the name of that ship which were breaking the ice? Okay, Zainab, please unmute yourself and speak.
Speed ship. Ice breaking ship.
Yes, it is used for ice. It's an ice breaking ship, and it is used to break the ice. If you want to, in the sea, if you want to go further where it is very cold, freezing ice, then you have to go in this ship. You can't go in the ordinary ship because the ice is very, very thick. You can't break the ice. And this is what happened with Ross and Gaspard. Okay, you want to ask anything? Do you want to ask anything? Did you understand the story?
Yes.
The ship broken
And okay, tell me, what is the technique to break the ice? What is the technique to break the ice? Quickly tell me. You saw in the video?
rack.
Okay, so you need to crack the ice from top, not from the sides, okay? Yes? We learned a technique. Okay, so now my reading session is over, okay? So we will meet next Thursday again to continue the story, okay? Was it a nice story? Was it interesting?
Yes.
Okay.
The Friday, the painting class.
Yes.
I like the painting class.
Wow, I'm so happy, Musfira. I'm so happy for you. Okay, so bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. You all can leave, okay? Just click on the leave room, okay? You all can leave.
But again will be a class.
Then we will have class on Friday, Umar. Tomorrow, today's Thursday, right? Yes. Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow we have a class. It's a flip classroom.
This is not happening. Leave
It's
me.
okay. Okay.
Leave me.
Okay. We'll leave room. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.